plano
We're
sa
going to do this
future na
using our
parang
bears.
naging
First,
parang
I want
hindi
to put
natuloy.
out.
Meron?
We're going to add
I believe
using number bonds.
marami. Sabi ni Nanay Griselda,
We're going to do
marami
this
po.
using
Totoo po
our
yun, no?
bears.
Meron tayong mga
First,
sariling
I
plano
want you
na
to put
minsan
out
hindi natutuloy
4
because
red bears,
God had
like I
something
am.
far better in store for us. So sa Acts
4
chapter 16 po, it was a powerful reminder that what
Now
God
put out
directs His
3
people,
blue
He opened
bears.
their hearts and turned hardship
1,
into salvation. So in this
3.
chapter, we will see a church being born. Saan
We want to find out how many bears there are all together.
Not by chance, but by divine appointment.
How do we do that?
Limang bagay po kasi medyo
To find out how
mahaba
many
yung
there are
chapter
all together,
16,
we can put the
sa mga
bears
limang
together,
pangyayari.
or we
Una
can
po sa
add.
lahat, the call to a new mission field.
Let's
verse
draw a
1
number bond
hanggang
to
verse
show
10.
our
Letter A
bears.
po,
We
sino
want
pong
to
nag-join
find the
kay Paul
whole
and Silas?
and the parts.
Timoteo, si Timothy. So,
Are the
si
red
Timothy,
bears a part
he joins
or the whole?
Paul and Silas sa verse
They're
1
a
to
part.
5.
And how
Si
many
Paul
red
and
bears do we
Silas
have?
po arrived
We have
in Derbe, where
So
he
we
had
can
great
show that
success,
as
di ba po?
one
Ibig
part.
sabihin, naging successful po yung first missionary journey
And what are
nila.
the blue
Pakibasa
bears?
Acts
Are they
14,
a
20
part
to
or
21.
the whole? They're also a part. How many blue bears are there? 3. And what whole do 4 and 3 make? 4 and 3 make 7. Now we want to add our bears together. And what do we do when we add? We put the parts together to make the whole.
Okay.
So we can use our
And
number
sa
bond
lugar po
to
ng
write
Easter
an
din.
addition
So,
sentence.
we're a crowd
What's our
crying to
first
honor
part?
Paul and Barnabas.
4.
Alala niyo po yung chapter
And what are we
14
going to
na sinabi
add?
po ng mga
We're going to
taga-Listra
add
na si Paul
3.
and Barnabas ay
And
mga
4
pagan
and
gods.
3
No?
together
Basahin niyo po, 14,
is
11,
equal to
12.
7. But using our number bond to help us, we can also write an addition sentence in another way. We could start with the blue bears. The blue bears are one part.
Okay,
And there
yun
are
po. So,
3
doon
blue
po
bears.
sila kinilanan ng mga pagan
Then
gods.
we
Pero
could
nireview
add
po sila ni
the
Paul and
red
Barnabas.
bears.
So, si Paul, na-meet niya po si
And what would we
Timothy sa
get?
lugar po ng
We'd still
Lystra.
get
Timothy was a
7.
young disciple. Meron po siyang Jewish
So we can
mother
use our
and
number
Greek
bond
father.
to
So,
help us write
ibig
addition
sabihin,
sentences in
mixed
2
po
ways.
si aso lang.
What do we do when we
Mixed po yung
add?
kanyang
We
lahi.
put the parts
Isa
together
kalahating Hudyo at
to make the
kalahating
whole.
Griego or Gentile. So,
But does it
si
matter
Paul po,
what
because
order we
Paul
put
was
the parts
interested
in?
enough with Timothy to ask him
No,
to
it doesn't.
join in their ministry team. So, this shows
So we can
that
see that
God's
4
provision, because John
plus
Mark,
3
diba, you remember John
equals
Mark
7
and
is the same as
Barnabas
3
just
plus
sent
4
Paul.
equals
So,
7.
next, Paul has
And
Timothy
it doesn't really matter
circumcised.
what order we put the
Not
parts
for
in.
salvation,
We get
but to
the
avoid
same
offense
whole.
with Jewish community. So,
About this lesson,
since si Timothy
this
po
lesson
ay
is
may
introducing the idea
kalahating
of the commutative property
kalahating
of addition
Griego,
in an
so
informal
hindi po
way,
siya full na Jew. So, circumcise po siya
and
ni Paul,
scaffolding students'
hindi para
understanding
maligtas,
on the use
pero
of
para
number
ma-avoid po yung
bonds.
mga offenses. Kasi po papunta po sila sa lugar kung saan maraming mga Hudyo. So, to avoid the offenses and to avoid mga debates, no, para maiwasan nila